Prices are rising fast, and if you're watching this, you're probably feeling the pinch in your day-to-day life. Whether it's groceries, gas, or utilities, it seems like everything is costing more. The good news is there are ways to budget better during these challenging times, and I'm here to help you do just that. Let's dive right into it. First, it's important to track where your money is going. I know, it sounds simple, but many of us overlook this step. Using a simple spreadsheet or a budgeting app, like Mint or YNAB, can give you a clear picture of where your dollars are spent. You'd be surprised how many hidden expenses pop up when you actually track them. Once you know where your money is going, you can make smarter decisions about where to cut back. Speaking of cutting back, let's talk about priorities. With prices rising, now is the time to ask yourself what you're really spending on. Is that daily cup of coffee really worth $5 a day? Or could you save that for something more important? Think about your recurring expenses too, like subscriptions you might not use anymore. Netflix, Hulu, gym memberships, they all add up. If you're looking to cut costs quickly, trimming the fat from these non-essential expenses is a great start. Next, let's talk about buying smarter. If you're buying groceries, consider switching to store brands or shopping at discount stores. Bulk buying can also help, especially with non-perishable items. But when it comes to major purchases, hold off if you can. The urge to spend now, just to get ahead of rising prices, is strong, but delaying big purchases might save you a lot in the long run. I want to make sure you're getting the best financial advice, and that's why I recommend looking into a gold IRA. If you haven't heard, many retirees are turning to gold IRAs as a way to protect their wealth during times of inflation. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are already opening gold IRAs to safeguard their savings, and you could be next. Now, when you're adjusting your budget, it's also a good idea to think about increasing your income if possible. Of course, not everyone can simply ask for a raise or take on a side hustle, but there are other options. Maybe you could sell unused items around your house. It's amazing how much stuff we accumulate that we don't need. Alternatively, if you're in a position to, investing in something like real estate or stocks could help you stay ahead of inflation. But with the current state of the market, it's critical to choose safe options that will protect your wealth, especially as a retiree. This is where a gold IRA really stands out. When you look at inflation and rising prices, traditional savings accounts or even stocks just don't offer the same level of protection. Gold has consistently been a safe haven during times of financial uncertainty. If you've got over $100K in your IRA or 401k, or even more than $5 in savings, opening a gold IRA could be one of the best moves you make for your financial future. And here's the thing. It's not just about saving money, it's about preserving your wealth. As prices continue to rise, making smart decisions with your retirement savings becomes even more critical. So, if you want to make sure your wealth is protected from inflation and future financial uncertainty, make sure to click the link in the description for your free gold IRA guide. Budgeting better when prices are rising fast might seem overwhelming, but with the right tools and strategies, you can take control. Track your spending, adjust your priorities, buy smarter, and make sure your wealth is protected in the long run. If you're ready to make the right move for your financial future, especially if you've got 100K plus or more in your IRA or 401k, I highly recommend learning more about gold IRAs. Click the link below and get started today.